Hi everyone, Miss Wadlinger here. And today I'm going to show you how to take items from the dollar store to make your own really low cost circuit building kit. So when you go to the dollar store, you might find little electronic tea lights, something like this. These are the Christmas version, but any version will work. So what you're going to want to do is open the box and take out one of the tea lights. Once you do, you're going to want to remove the bottom plate. You might need a very tiny screwdriver for this. Luckily, they also sell those at the dollar store. So take your very tiny screwdriver and unscrew the bottom plate of the tea light. Well, I won't be needing that anymore. And then remove the bottom plate. At this point, the battery should come out. If you have trouble, just use your screwdriver to pry it loose. And this will have one of these button batteries. So a positive end on top and a negative end on the bottom. At this point, you want to pry loose the casing of your light bulb. Once again, your screwdriver or keys might come in handy to do this. If you are a young person, please make sure you have your nearest friendly adult handy for safety. Once you pry that loose, you should get pieces. The top casing you can just discard, and you should see your LED light bulb. And so what you can do is pry your LED light bulb out of its housing. It might have bent prongs through the plastic casing holding it in place. You can just use your fingers to bend those straight, and then it comes apart. You also at that point have this plastic switch, which you won't need either. So you'll notice on your LED, you'll have two prongs. You'll notice that the legs are different lengths. LEDs are unidirectional. They cannot be used in both directions. There is a positive end and a negative end. So at this point, you can try just connecting your LED to the battery and it lights up. Notice if I spin it around, it does not light up, so one direction only. But this is not a terribly fun electric circuit. So at this point, we need something to extend our circuit. We want something conductive. So look around your house and see what you can find that will conduct electricity. I highly recommend tinfoil. So pieces of tinfoil can be used as wires. It can actually be scrunched up into a wire shape, or flat, it will work just fine. And what you can do is you can then use that to extend your circuit. From here, you can get even more creative, and you can start adding in switches. And switches, remember, are just breaks in the circuit. So a piece of tinfoil that tilts up and down is a beautiful switch. And you can also look at incorporating things like paper clips, things like push pins, things like pencil graphite, so pencil lead. Anything that you think might be conductive is a good choice. And if you're looking for something more exciting than light bulbs, so maybe a motor or a speaker, there's lots of toy items at the dollar store that contain those. You might just need a screwdriver to open them and a friendly adult for supervision. Good luck and enjoy your low-cost circuit kit.